A tangled mind ponders about the future. The age is increasing, but many things are still unaccomplished. Stress thinking about how to settle the issues. Regarding the house. Finally got the house key. But the kitchen cabinet has not been made yet. When cabinet it's done, get deceived by the contractor. Just install the cabinet. But it's already damaged and coming off. Many customers ask me, is our market price cheap? Do we have our own factory? Is the quality of the material okay or not? Is it reliable? How long does it take to complete the cabinet? Today, I will show our factory. Welcome to EVERSKILL Design Factory. Let's go! We have a large and spacious factory. Cabinet installation within 7 working days. We have various colors for the cabinets. Let's take a look. These are among the methods of the cabinet making process. Previously, we used manual wood cutting process. But now no longer, as we have adopted advanced digital machinery. This is the most crucial aspect in the cabinet making process. EVERSKILL Design utilizes the Formahero FH1OAPS machine. We do not use hands to assemble ABS cabinets, because it will result in poor quality over the long term. We perfect the door ABS installation. Using high-quality machinery, we use the Stormend E551, our machine. This machine meticulously eliminates any teeth marks on the boards. We also offer various color options for ABS. Now we use all high-quality machines. We also undertake the glass smoothing process to remove sharp edges. And the latest is the process of making inlay linen on the cabinets. We can create the latest and modern linen inlay, various shapes and patterns. All materials and installation processes are directly from our factory. Already finished. Ready for installation. Contact us immediately. We have more than 1,000 plus reviews.